Oh, there it is. Okay.
Have fun.
It's not clicking. Hold on.
Did it fail to go into battery?
I think so.
All right. So what we do is we pull back on the charge handle.
Then you shoot it up.
We have to take another round out of this magazine. Not sure exactly why it's failing to do that, but
there we go. Okay.
okay. It might need the approach on the barrel might need some polishing. Your bipod's gonna fall off, so check your bipod there. There you go. And if you need to move the wood, you can too. Oh. Here, let me reach in and help you. Now, set her on there. Okay. Dang, you keep hitting them. Nice. Hit the one on the right if you can. There you go. Woo! Nice. You're out. So, if you were defending yourself against multiple assailants, you would want this weapon, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
All right, good job, kiddo.